I'm Dr. Jen Flynn, and I'm here to talk to you more about how we as chiropractors can help with your headaches and your migraines and how to decrease them and get rid of them completely. So when you come into our office, we'll give you a specific chiropractic adjustment. Get those joints moving, that's the most important part. Once those joints are moving, those muscles start relaxing, and the nerves to the muscles in the back of your head and the rest of your nervous system are functioning properly, moving well, speaking well from your brain to your body. We do things a little bit differently here at West Functional Chiropractic. We're able to assess your diet, what specific foods you should be eating or should not be eating that may or may not be causing those headaches. So if you're eating foods that you're sensitive to or that your body just doesn't digest well, you're going to get that inflammation. When you have that inflammation, that's going to cause headaches, that's going to cause pain in the muscles, things like that. So we'll be able to assess how you specifically should be eating. It's not a fad diet, nothing like that. We want to know how your body specifically should be eating and getting the nutrients that it needs to decrease those headaches and that neck pain.